So this is the update on our beautiful mosaic aquatic plant here. And look at the growth of these 3 baby mosaic plants. And the good news is we have another new baby mosaic plants growing. At least 5 pieces. Look how adorable they are. In this tub, we have our tricolor balloon mollies and our tuxedo koi guppies and red Mickey Mouse platies, and we are planning to add more. Another good news is we saw lots of fry from our red Mickey Mouse platies here. Actually, we are still thinking about whether to leave them here or separate them. Anyway, let's give them this freeze-dried Tubifex. This is a high-protein fish food, which is good for them. And I think they really like this fish food, especially our mollies here. For some reason, these fish like to eat it when we hold their fish food. And by the way, this is our other planted tub, where we put our red balloon platies. Well, as you can see, the fish are quite shy, and we will try to work on that behavior so they won't hide anymore. Later, we will add more aquatic plants just like this planted tub. We will make this planted tub even more greener and more beautiful.